So I gotta tell you guys that I took this drive shaft off my Lexus IS 250. If you're having extreme vibration issues driving down the road, you can feel it in the steering wheel, you can feel it in the seat, you can see it in the side mirrors, it's probably it is probably your drive shaft. I'll show you right here. This is what went bad, and you can barely even feel it, but there's just a little bit of a clunk, and then you can see right there is a crack in it. Very hard to see under the car, but if you get that loud or that vibration, your whole car's shaking 60 miles per hour, it's probably a bad U-joint right here on your drive shaft. You can change these out, but I just changed the shaft for $100. So put it in, and the thing is driving good as new. You would not believe how smooth it is. So if you're having vibration issues in your IS 250, your IS 350, it could be your drive shaft. So check that out.